Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download the BITGET Exchange app in India. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up your Play Store or App Store. Okay, use the search function and go to the top, use the search bar. Now just type down BITGET. Okay, tap on BITGET right here. Now make sure that you download this one, this icon, okay, or two arrows. Not the BITGET wallet right here. That only got one arrow. Okay, so tap on this option and just tap on install or get. All right, now some users may experience not getting results when using the BITGET keyword right here, and the BITGET Exchange app doesn't show. So what you can do is just basically open up your favorite browser, use the search bar and just type down BITGET download. All right, hit on enter and then just tap on how to download the BITGET APK. All right, just basically follow simple prompts right here, scroll all the way down to find the BITGET app download page, tap on it and there will be a big download button in the next page. Okay, just tap on it and the APK will be downloaded. So just basically find the BITGET APK file in your download list, tap on it, hit on install, wait for the process to finish, and once done, you're good to go. And that is how you download the BITGET Exchange app in India. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.